coffee. Here's the view. It's still really early in the morning, so I couldn't check in, but I am here. This is the Iberostar Cancun, and it's really massive, this hotel. It's really huge, but it's so nice. My friend is getting here later today, so much later, and I can't check in until 3, so I guess I'm gonna drink my coffee. A little too early to start with the cocktails just yet, but I'm just gonna enjoy my time in the sun. I tried to find a spot in the shade, but there's just towels everywhere. I'm gonna chillax, maybe go swimming, maybe read. Oh, vacation, yay. Paradise, so nice. The beautiful view. The ocean's just right there. I bought myself a little bag because it was getting ridiculous. And I also got myself my first alcoholic beverage, mojito. Alright, let's walk into the beach area. This camera is not capturing the blueness of this water. So beautiful. Oh man, it's so nice. Cheers. Aren't you jealous? Oh my gosh, I would be jealous of myself, okay? Well, I will be jealous when I'm editing this footage because I won't be here anymore, but this mojito is tasting like heaven on earth. I haven't even had lunch, so I'm gonna get super wasted. The buffet is not open yet, so I'm gonna go in about half an hour, but I'm feeling good. I'm already feeling like super rested. I'm like, girl, I've been here for like 2 hours. Mojito time. Yes, mom. Yes. I just love this turquoise blue color of the ocean. I wish I could swim in it right now, but I mean, it looks a little, you know, I don't know. So I think Christelle's plane arrives at like 6 p.m. today. So, yeah, I basically have the next like 6-ish hours to do my own thing. Yes. The bartender that made me this, I was like, can I get a mojito please? And he's like, do you want an alcoholic one or a non-alcoholic one? And I was like, girl, what kind of question is that? I was like, excuse me, what kind of silly question is that? Definitely want an alcoholic one. And then he looks at me and goes, how old are you, miss? And I was like, oh, you be getting yourself a tip. I was like, I'm 30. And then he's like, wow, good for you. So basically I was like, you're my favorite person. Anyway, that was my little bragging moment. I'm gonna go back now. I just wanted to like share this moment with you guys because like I'm alone and oh, look at that, guys. Cancun, I mean, I've been here twice before, but you could just never go wrong with Cancun. First meal of the day. It's pretty good, guys. Lots of veggies, lots of fruit, guacamole. They even had lentils and chickpeas, which makes me so happy. Second plate of food. Lots of veggies. I also got some pasta, more guac, some fruit, margarita. Ooh, guys. Oh, the stomach. I just ate like 2 giant plates of food. I mean, I don't even think it was that much food, but I'm so full. I also had a margarita. The water, like the color has changed. I love when the color of the water changes throughout the day. I just think it's so like, oh, it's so magical, you know? Anyways, it's like even bluer right now. I'm just gonna walk a little bit because the water is so gorgeous and I need to digest my food because I am so full. Anyways, the vegan options were pretty decent. I wasn't expecting like tofu scramble, but oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Wait, 1 second. What in God's name? How is this real life? Nature. Mother Nature, people. So, yeah, the options were pretty decent. I mean, again, I wasn't expecting anything like amazing or crazy, but I was expecting lots of fresh veggie, fresh fruit, things like that. So I think what I'm gonna do for this trip is to really focus on getting in my fresh fruit, my fresh veggies, and just eating like, yeah, whole foods based. I think that often when I go on vacation, I just kind of go a little bit cray-cray. I have about 30 minutes until I can finally check in. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a little exercise down the beach. Let's try to stay healthy on this vacation, guys. Let's try to stay healthy. I mean, a lot of damage can be done in a week. Look at that color. Can't stop staring at this water. So beautiful. Woo! I think it's time for me to walk back and finally check in. So let me show you guys the room. But yeah, wow, I don't even know why I'm like out of breath. All I'm doing is walking. I did bring my workout clothes. I mean, by workout clothes, I mean just like my sports bra and like tiny shorts. I do want to potentially get a couple workouts in. Anyways, oh my gosh, I'm like talking so much because I'm by myself. And when I'm by myself, I like to talk to the camera a lot. I just don't want to say bye to the beach. So nice. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Yes, we got an ocean view. We did pay a bit extra for this view, but oh my gosh, it is so worth it. Look at this. We have a nice balcony. Can we just take a moment? Like, come on. Really? And here's the room. Oh, I guess we're sharing a bed. I didn't even realize we had one bed. Anyways, that's fine. Aw, bunny. Hello. I feel like I'm already tanned. Hi, guys. Ooh, rose. Rose for rose. I think I've already gotten darker. Did I get darker? Look at the tan already. It's been like just a few hours and I stayed out of the sun for the most part. Oof, what a beautiful view, guys. What did I do in my past life to deserve this view? Anyways, I'm just waiting for my luggage to arrive. Someone is bringing it up. And then I think I'm gonna take a shower. It's kind of like, you know, feeling a little bit gross. Love this bathroom. Look at this. Whoa, hi. Me at all angles. That looks nice. And then the toilet and bath is separate. I kind of like that. Let's see what they have for toiletries. Body lotion, shoe shine sponge. What? Facial soap, that's normal. Shampoo, shower gel, conditioner. And this is our little drink station. Coffee, teas. Presumably this is the fridge. Hello, fridge. Okay, we've got some Coke Zero, some beers, water. I may take a water. Finally showered. Took like 15 years for them to bring my bag. Having a beer. Now I'm gonna go for a walk. Changed. Feel fresh and clean. I'm sorry, can we just take a moment to look at how adorable these kids' chairs are? They're so cute. That's it. If I have babies, I'm buying these. Whew, I am exhausted. So, I have been kind of laying here, semi-napping, waiting for my friend who has arrived, but she's been texting me as she's at the airport, and so she's here with her parents. Okay, so I'm like, I'm like kind of barging in on their family trip, okay. But anyways, so it looks like her parents' luggage, suitcase, might be lost. So just kind of waiting to see what happens, but I might just go eat by myself because it's already like almost 8 o'clock. So I guess the solo dining and drinking continues, my friends. Here we go. More solo dining. I got a bit cold, so I'm gonna put on a little shawl. Oh my god, I look so tired. Oh my gosh. I keep feeling like I should be doing more, but then I remind myself I'm actually on vacation, like a real vacation, so just gonna chill, okay? Okay guys, so the dinner is even better and look what I discovered. Tofu! So they had miso soup. They also had a veggie soup. So I wasn't sure if the miso soup was vegan, so instead I took the veggie soup and I just put the miso soup toppings in it because YOLO. And look at this giant plate of pasta. I think this is enough food. Thank you! You have no idea how happy I was to find tofu. Oh my god. Anyways, this is way too much pasta. So one thing that I've realized that Mexican people just don't know how to do is make sushi. Like it's always like the shittiest sushi. But another thing that I don't realize is why I keep going back for more. It's like I'd rather have shitty sushi than not have sushi at all. Second plate of food. I just have so much pasta that I don't want to go too crazy with this one. Hello, Christelle.
Oh, wow.
Look. Looking glamorous as always.
Oh, please.
Star of the show has arrived.
Please.
There was a bit of drama at the airport, but you know, it's all good. I love Christelle because she always laughs at everything I'm saying as if I'm like the funniest person in the world.
Strawberry daiquiri.
Ooh, yes, daiquiri. Maybe I'll get one too. Let's both do a strawberry daiquiri. Whoa, I like blend in with this beverage. Focus. Hi! This is so strong.
Too strong.
I'm drunk.